You want to build an app, you open the code editor, you stare at the screen. Nothing comes to mind. You create a new project, you add one file, then you stop. What comes first? Login screen, home page, database. Everything feels messy because you started with code. Apps are not built in code first, they are built in structure first. When you get an app idea, do you open code editor first or do you design it? Comment plan if you skip planning. Here's the simple method used daily in Figma. Step 1. Write the app idea in one line. Step 2. Open Figma. Create simple boxes. Home, login, dashboard, profile. No color, no design, just layout. Step 3. Connect the screen. What happens when a button is tapped? Now mobile app development becomes clear. Now coding feel easy. This is how you learn coding fast. Plan first, code second. Comment Figma below. After two comments, the full step-by-step planning video will be posted. Save this, share with someone who has app ideas but always feels stuck.